I'm not trying to slow down. You know, I've always been wanting to chase. And you and I are feeling just right now. 'Cause halfway is right where I wanna stay.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. I really appreciate your time. Today I have for you my Sephora Play unbagging for the month of May 2018. That's what I got in this nifty little box right here. So before we get started with the video, I would appreciate a thumbs up if you enjoy this video, and also for you to subscribe if you haven't already. I would love for you to join my YouTube family. We're a cool, groovy bunch of chicks and dudes. So yeah, we'd love for you to join us. Let's go ahead and get into this box. All right, inside here, got this cute little bag. I'll show it to you a little bit more closely. In the box, there's a little pamphlet that tells the theme for the month, which is beauty goals, and also tells about all the products that are in the bag. If you're not familiar with Sephora Play, it's a subscription service that's sent out monthly by Sephora, obviously, and it's $10 a month, and you get lots of sample sizes. These aren't full-size products, but sometimes deluxe sample sizes, several sample sizes. How many more times can I say sample sizes? So I'm going to find a spot for this pamphlet. I'm going to get my glasses so I can actually read what it says, and I'm going to go through each product and tell you about it. All right, this is the little bag for the month, and they always have something cute on the front. I kind of like this. It's a little denim bag with a little red cord. Super cute this time. Sometimes it has like a cute little saying. This time it just says Sephora Play, or Play by Sephora. And I'm just going to go in here, randomly grab things out and tell you about them. One thing about this subscription is they almost always include a fragrance sample. Unfortunately, for some reason, it's always perfumes that I'm not a big fan of, and this is one I'm not a big fan of. I guess I could tell you about it. In every box, they include a perfume sample or a fragrance sample that is considered a bonus. So this month it's Yves Saint Laurent Black Opium. So I'll read to you a little bit about this. It says, Scent from Above, an intoxicating and invigorating blend featuring notes of high energy coffee, seductive vanilla, and sweet white flower. I am not a fan. I've smelled it before, so I'm going to leave this unopened to give to somebody. If you like it, tell me and I'll give it to you. It says that the fragrance family is warm and spicy. The top notes are coffee, middle notes orange blossom, and base notes cedarwood essence. And I usually like most of those things, citrus and woodsy and warm. And coffee, are you kidding me? Of course I like the coffee part, but just not my cup of tea. Which is ironic that I would use that expression considering that it smells like coffee. But yeah, okay. The next one is one of my ride or die holy grail products that I use almost daily. I try some others on occasion, but I always go back to this, and this is Benefit Professional. It says it's an oil-free priming balm that minimizes the look of pores and controls shine all day. Yes, it does. It's the best pore-filling primer for my skin. I really like it. I, again, will leave this unopened because I have backups for my backups for my backups of this product. So I'm going to give this away to somebody. All right, our next product is Detox Dry Shampoo from Dry Bar. And it's the shampooing sec variation, I suppose. It says, a fan favorite dry shampoo that adds volume and absorbs dirt and oil between washes. It says, this dry spray contains microfine rice powders that absorb oils and odors while expanding to add lift and volume. These powders become translucent to blend in with any hair color, and golden root extract adds moisture to prevent breakage. I actually have gotten this in a subscription before, and I think it was this one actually. And I really like this because it has a really nice scent. So I will keep this and I will use this. It's good stuff. I forgot to read to you the extra description about what this does. So I'm going backwards. Rewind. It says this translucent balm minimizes the look of pores and gives you that coveted shine-free complexion. You'll have a fresh face from AM to PM. Plus, it contains a vitamin E derivative to protect you from skin-damaging free radicals. Oh, awesome. It's a free radical slayer. Anyways, saving that for a giveaway. Okay, next in my lineup, Sephora Mud Mask Purifying and Mattifying. And it's a nice little jar. I love masks, so I'm for sure going to try this. Ooh, it smells very, very herbal, and that's what it looks like. I like clay masks. I really like sheet masks just for the sake of not having to rinse them off, but I think I like the effects of clay masks better. It says definition of detox. It says a detoxifying mud mask that clarifies skin with zinc and copper. This highly effective mask uses minerals and mud to absorb excess sebum. That word is just gross. Sorry, but sebum is just a disgusting word. It absorbs excess sebum, which reduces the appearance of blemishes without over drying. It leaves skin soft, matte, and ultra clean. Plus, watching it change colors is so satisfying. I wonder what color it changes to other than just drying out to like a lighter shade of gray. But I like masks. I'll use it. We'll see how it works. Okay, next is Marc Jacobs. Woo! I like when I see that name because his products are too spendy for me. And so I like it when I get to try them. This says Leading Lashes Marc Jacobs Beauty Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. In Noir is the shade. It says a velvety, no clump mascara that creates voluminous lashes with a unique curvy brush. This luxurious formula adds mega volume, ultra length, and super concentrated pigment for lashes that are almost too good to be real. Okay, so I have to open it and look at the wand because if it says it's got an interesting wand, I want to see what it is. And I really shouldn't open another mascara, but I'm going to because I'm a rebel like that. I'm a rebel just for kicks. Anyway. And I will explain in a minute what's on my hand. Anyways, it doesn't look that different. It kind of reminds me of the Better Than Sex wand. But yeah. I guess it is kind of spirally if you turn it around. But yeah, I'll try that and see if it does what it says it does. So on my hand is a mark of a Sharpie because I've been labeling things all day. And next to it is the word gas, because by the time I leave my school, I am so brain dead that if I need to get gas, I will forget. I'll leave town and be in the middle of my commute and not realize that I'm about to run out of gas. So I wrote it on my hand to remind myself to not get stranded on the side of the road. Told you. End of school. It's crazy. And last, I'm so happy to have another one of these. It is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper. And I love this little mini. It's funny because the minis actually seem to last longer for me than the full size. This was the first size I got. I got it as a sample first, and I used it forever before I had to buy one. So anyways, if you've never tried Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper, it is the bomb. The only tiny thing that I would change about it is it has the littlest bit of sheen instead of fully matte. And I actually heard that she might be coming out with a fully matte, so I'm hoping so. But anyways, here's the description. A waterproof liquid liner with a super fine brush tip that goes on smooth. You guys know I love brush tips. This is a really, really nice one. It says, this satiny, smudge-proof liquid liner is a legend because of its tattoo needle-inspired tip that creates crisp, skip-free lines every time. Plus, its buildable, quick-dry formula provides major pigment payoff. And yes, and yes, and yes. And I'm happy to have this. Excellent, excellent product. All right, folks, that's it. I have filmed several videos today, and I've said the same thing in every video, but I would like you guys to tell me, maybe you'll answer on at least one. If you've answered this question on another, then don't bother to answer here. But down in the comment section, tell me with subscription bags like this, especially ones like Sephora, that it's not makeup items, so it's things that you kind of have to use before you can give an opinion on them. Do you guys want me to revisit what I find in these things, or do you think that would be monotonous, or do you have the bag yourself and don't care what I think about it? I just want your opinion on how you feel on those videos overall. Do you like me to, would you like me to revisit back to products that I have kind of hauled or unbagged to let you know what I think about them? I could actually combine maybe BOXYCHARM, Sephora Play, any of my box things, and maybe go in and talk about my favorites from those things, or the things that ended up working out for me, or maybe, you know, favorites and fails of those things. But, you know, I'm just thinking out loud, brainstorming out loud, but you can let me know what you think of those things and give me your comments, give me your opinion in the comment section. All right, guys, so that's it for my Sephora Play. I'll leave all the information on how you can subscribe down in the info box if you would like to go check it out. Again, it's $10 a month and all sample sizes, but things that Sephora carries, things that maybe you wouldn't ordinarily have the opportunity to try. That's the reason why I hang on to the subscription. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I ordinarily upload on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. And when I do a live stream, it's usually on Wednesday evenings at 7 o'clock p.m. And that's not what time. It is ordinarily at 6 o'clock p.m. Central Time. Yeah, that's it. All right, until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys. Today I have for you my Sephora Play unbagging for May. Yeah. No neurons firing. Not a single one. 2 hours later. And again, lost my train of thought. And it's, I don't remember how much it costs. If you're not familiar with, I need a nap. Oh, seriously. Seriously. And I guess I didn't read to you the actual description of this, so let me go back in and read. Let me go back and drop it on the floor. Good God Almighty. Ugh. Okay.
I'm not trying to slow down. You know, I've always been wanting to chase. And you and I are feeling just right now. 'Cause halfway is right.